Good morning, students. Today, 10th class physics. Chapter is refraction of light. Refraction of light. Yet curved surface. Curved surface. What do you know about the refraction of light? Already refraction of light at plane surface is completed. Refraction means bending of light ray when it was to travel from one medium to another medium at the interface of the medium, or oblique of the light ray at the interface of the medium when it travel from one medium to another medium, or when a light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium or rarer medium to denser medium, at the interface of the medium it will be bent. This phenomenon is known as the refraction of light. It was learned in the refraction of light at plane surface. Now we are going to discuss refraction of light at curved surface. Curved surface means not plane, either bent, bulged, or bent in. This is bulged. It is bent in, bent out or bent in. Both are known as the curved surfaces. Curved surfaces means now we are going to discuss refraction of light at bulged surface or bent in surface. This is known as the convex. This is known as the concave. Convex surface, concave surface, both. So these are known as the curved surfaces. Now we are going to discuss first of all spectacles. Spectacles. Where we see in the spectacles generally after the age of the 40 years, 45 years, they use spectacles, read the textbooks or newspaper or anything. That is known as the reading glasses. Reading glasses means only biconcave lens. Biconcave lens. Next, watch repairer. Watch repairer is repaired the watch parts, very small, teeny parts also in the watch with the help of the magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. What you know about the magnifying glass? That is known as the simple microscope. Simple microscope. Commonly, this is known as the both of them. Commonly, this is known as the both of them. So, in our daily life, we used to curved lenses in our purpose, daily purpose. Spectacles, either reading glasses. Spectacles means these are only two types of defects are there. One is the short sight, another one is the long sight. Either short sight or long sight, both are cured by the spectacles only. One is known as the reading glasses. The reading glasses is common. In this reading glasses they used that biconcave lens. Next, watch repairer is used to repair the tiny parts in the watch, that is the magnifying glasses. Such magnifying glasses are commonly known as the simple microscope. Which microscope? Simple microscope. If now in our textbook we are going to discuss first activity. First activity. Activity 1. What is that one? First of all, we have to take a small cardboard. A small cardboard. You have to draw with the help of the black marker. One arrow mark. This is the cardboard. Draw a black marker with the help of the black marker. Draw one arrow mark. We have to kept one glass tumbler. This is empty glass tumbler. Glass tumbler. Then what will you see? Arrow mark is diminished. Small arrow mark. You see diminished. Diminished arrow. Diminished means small arrow. What is this one? Cardboard. What is this one? Black markers arrow. And what is this one? Empty glass tumbler. Now fill it with water. Now fill it with, take another cardboard. Arrow mark. Another cardboard, arrow mark. Now you kept one more. Glass tumbler with water. Glass tumbler with water. Glass tumbler with water. Then arrow will be appeared. Big arrow seen. Big arrow seen. Here diminished arrow. Here enlarged arrow. Big is commonly known as the enlarged arrow. Both are done by the effect of the curved surface. It is empty curved surface. It is curved surface with water. Curved surface with water. That's why in this one it will be appeared diminished one. In this one it will be appeared big one. So that's why now we are going to discuss the another curved surface terminology. What is that one? Curved surface terminology. Already in the plane surface you learn about this pole. In IIT physics also in 9th class you learn about pole, focal point, focal length, principal axis, center of curvature, normal, etc. etc. This all terminology is necessary to learn, necessary to revise in this class also. So now I am going to explain the terminology in the curved surface. Shall I rub the board? Now I am going to discuss with you terminology. So this is the curved surface. It is a curved surface. It consists in matter. Means denser medium. Denser medium. Center of the surface. Center of the surface is known as the P. P means pole. A imaginary line which is passes the center of the surface and its center of the medium is known as the C. That means center of curvature. Center of curvature, and it is the pole. This is known as the principal axis. Principal axis, the line joining from center of the curvature and the any one of the point on the curved surface is known as the normal. In this way, pole is there. What is the pole? The center of the curved surface is called the pole of the curved surface. The line that joins the center of curvature and the pole is called the principal axis. What is that one? Principal axis. These are the terminology. In this one also, focus is there, focal length is there, radius of curvature is there. That all terms I will explain you in the next topic. In this one only. First of all, pole, center of curvature, principal axis, normal. These are the important terminology of the curved surface. Now we are going to discuss the another one, that is the, shall I repeat? Now I am rubbing this one. Okay, now laws of refraction. What are they? Laws of refraction. What you know about the laws of refraction? First one, a light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, rare medium to denser medium. It bent towards normal. Bent towards normal. A light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium. It bent towards the normal. Second one, a light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium it bent away from normal. These are, what are they? Light ray passes from the denser rarer medium to denser medium, it bent towards the normal. As like that, a light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, it bent away from the normal. These are applicable both plane and curved surfaces. That means these are applicable not only the plane surface but also curved surface. Now I am going to show some of the examples also, diagrams for this one. Shall I repeat? Copy this one. I am going to rub. Okay, now I am going to draw the diagram, this one. This is, here what is there? Water. That's why it acts as like a denser medium. What is this one? Pole. What is this one? Center of curvature. C for center of curvature. P for pole. Imaginary line which is passing center of curvature to pole, that is known as the principal axis. Principal axis. This is the principal axis. Okay. And what is this one? Already I told you. This is the normal. Normal. What is this one? Rarer medium. Air. This is air. This is water. So that's why it acts as like a denser medium. It is acts as like a rarer medium. When a light ray passes through the principal axis does not deviate from its path. As like that, when a light ray passes through the normal, it does not deviate from its path. This is the main part or main point in the curved surface. What is that one? Main point. When a light ray passes from principal axis, not from, through. Through principal axis and normal. It means light ray does not deviate from its path. One important point, always he asked, so what is that one? When a light ray passes through the principal axis or passes through the normal, it does not deviate from its path. That means it does not. What I told before of that one, when a light ray passes from the rarer medium to denser medium, or denser medium to rarer medium, at the interface of the medium, it will be bent. That is known as the refraction of light. Otherwise, when a light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it will be bent towards the normal. As like that, when it passes from the denser medium to rarer medium, it bent away from the normal, I told you. But in this condition is not applicable for this light ray passes through the principal axis or normal, it does not deviate from its path. Okay. Now I am rubbing that one. All of you draw in your, these all are in your fair notebook or classwork notebook. Most IMP bits. Okay. Now I am going to show how light ray bend towards the normal, away from the normal in the curved surface, or that means convex surface, concave surface, like that only. Convex surface and concave surface, like that only. Now, convex surface. This is convex surface. Convex surface means bulged surface. Here, look at the board. This is water. Means denser medium. Denser medium. Water, denser medium. What is this one? What is this? Pole. What is this one? What is this? Center of curvature. A line joining the center of curvature and the center of the surface is known as the principal axis. What is that one? Principal axis. So this is, what is this? A line passes from center of curvature to surface of the curved surface is known as the normal. Normal, like that only. This is the PA. PA for principal axis. A light ray. What is that one? Light ray. This is the light ray. It is the air. Air means rarer medium. Water means denser medium. A light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium towards the curved surface. Then it will be bent towards the normal. Bent towards the normal. Bent towards the normal. Now, I showed you Another one. This is it. Okay. This side water, denser medium. Now this side water, denser medium.
It's 4:00 p.m.
Denser medium. This is air. That is the rarer medium. So this is the pole. It is the center of curvature. What is this one? This is the normal. Normal. Now light ray is passing. What is that one? Light ray. This is it. What is that one? Light ray is passing. So this is the normal. Otherwise, this is the normal. Light ray passes from the denser medium to rarer medium. It is bent away from the normal. Here bent towards the normal. Here bent away from the normal. That is only. Have you understood? Okay. Everyone consisting like that only. Okay. I will continue the lesson tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow. Today I am going to give some homework also. It was given by your Srinivas Rao sir to you, all of you. Read and write these notes in your classwork notebook, fair notebook. Thank you.